Hi there. Today we will take a brief look at the SmartAdvocate app and some of the features and functionalities that you have available in the app. Now bear in mind that the navigation tools you will use in the SmartAdvocate app are the standard navigation aids you use on your mobile device or on your smartphone. That is, most items are a single tap or a swipe from right to left or left to right. Now let's take a closer look at the SmartAdvocate app. Now, when you access the SmartAdvocate app, by default, it starts with your most recent cases. So it will show you the list of the last 20 cases you have accessed, either through the app or on the desktop. There are two main menu items or options that are available on the app. You'll notice that in the top left-hand corner, there is a menu, and then on the top right-hand corner, you have a search icon. The search icon in the top right-hand corner will allow you to search for your cases. So you just tap on that icon and it will bring up the search menu. The main menu in the top left will give you a drop-down with additional menu items. Tapping the main menu item in the top left will give you a drop-down, which you will find recent cases, my cases, search cases, contacts list, add contacts, and calendar. To get to a case, you simply tap on that case, such as a case from your list, and that will open to the summary screen of the case. From the summary screen of the case, you'll notice a left arrow in the top left corner of the screen that will take you back to the prior menu. And in the top right, you'll notice the plus sign to allow you to add additional options, and a case summary menu, which will give you a drop down. Tapping on the case summary item will give you a general drop-down menu for the case, which will allow you to access the case calendar, documents, timeline, all contacts in the case disbursements, and time tracking. Let's take a look at notes. So we will go ahead and tap on the notes menu item. That will display all the notes in the case, similar to your desktop. From this notes page, you can add a note by tapping the plus sign in the top right-hand corner next to the Notes tab. From here, you would go ahead and enter your note. Select your note type and tap the Save button in the top right-hand corner. Now, swiping from right to left, that is the right edge of your screen, left, will reveal additional options for your note. It will allow you to email the note, edit the note, or delete the note. From here, you tap on the Notes hyperlink in the top right corner of the screen to reveal your main menu for this case, which will give you additional options. Let's go ahead and take a look at the calendar option. So we'll tap on calendar from this screen. Here you will see the case calendar with all the appointments for this case. A swipe from right to left on a calendar item will allow you to edit that item, adjourn it, or mark it canceled. You tap on the plus sign in the top right corner of your screen to add an appointment to the calendar. You could even enter any comment for that appointment. Then you would hit the save button in the top right hand corner to save that calendar item and that appointment. Now the appointment appears on the calendar. We will tap the calendar tab in the top right hand corner, and then let's take a look at documents. So we'll go ahead and tap the documents menu item. Here are all the documents in this case. And we'll go ahead and filter for a document using category and subcategory as you normally would in your desktop. Here we filter for medical records. To open a document or to edit its properties, you would swipe from right to left on that specific document. A swipe from right to left will reveal Show and Edit. You will tap on the Show button to open the document, and of course the Edit button to edit its properties. Here we'll tap on Show, and that will open the specific document. Now we'll tap on Edit, and we can edit the document properties, including description, from, and to. And once you're finished, you'd hit the Save button in the top right corner, or the Save tab rather, in the top right corner of your screen. Some of the additional options that you have under the general menu are case disbursements and time tracking. Here are case disbursements. These are expenses that have been entered in the case. And here we have time tracking, which will show the different amount of time and time tracking for each staff members who was entered, who was made an entry. The left arrow in the top left corner of your screen will take you back to the SmartAdvocate app's main menu. From here, you can search a case. I do a case search. I could add a contact. This is your regular case search, searching using, in this example, the defendant's last name. Here we will search using the plaintiff's last name. A tap on the calendar option will show us the office calendar. Swiping from right to left on a particular case will allow us to send an email or a text message to that plaintiff. And those are some of the features that you have available to you on the SmartAdvocate app. Thanks for watching.